talking?
Yes, I will. Oh, I fell in and see. Why, she's as scared as I am.
What's the matter, girl? Let a little old pig make a coward out of you? Look at you, Dick. You're just
Here, what's all this jabberwocky when there's work to be done? I know 3 shifted farmhands that'll be on the job before they know it.
Well, Dorothy was walking
I
around.
saw you tinkering with that contraption, Hickory. Now you and Huck get back to that wagon.
All right, Mr. Gale. But someday they're going to erect a statue to me in this town.
Well, don't start posing for it now. Here, start work on an empty stomach, have some colors.
Gosh, Mr. Gale.
That's right.
What?
See, Dorothy toppled into the big
It's
door.
no place for Dorothy around a pigsty. Now you go feed those hogs before they worry themselves into anemia.
Annie Ann, really? You know, Miss Ghost said she was going to do this photo? She says she was
Now,
going to...
Dorothy, dear, stop being nasty. You always get yourself into a fret over nothing. Now you just help us out today and find yourself a place where you won't get into any trouble.
A place where there isn't any trouble. Do you suppose there is such a place, Tony? There must be. It's not a place you can get to by a boat or a train. It's far, far away. Behind the moon. Beyond the rain. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. The dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind. Where troubles melt like rum and drops away above the chimney tops. That's where